In the first year, we are paying the minimum rent. So journal entry by royalty to minimum rent. Short working. So what is journal entry? Royalty account to landlord to short working. And what is the irrecoverable royalty? It is 3000 is the irrecoverable royalty. So we should write by profit and loss account. Hello my dear students, I am your Ajay sir, faculty Department of Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Grade College, Mysuru, a temple of excellence. My dear students, in today's session, I am going to handle the subject Financial Accounting 2, second sem, BCom, and also the topic is Accounting for Royalty. Now let's go to the first slide. In the previous session also, we are discussing the problems regarding in case of publisher and author, the ledger entries in the books of lessee, and today also we are going to discuss same type of problem. Let's see. Now, Ekant wrote a book on accountancy and got it published with Shakti Publishers on the terms that royalty will be paid at rupees 10 per copy sold. So, for every copy sold, he has to pay the 10 rupees subject to minimum rent of rupees 30,000 per year. So, what is the minimum rent? Even though if he could not reach the minimum rent, so he has to pay the amount 30,000 rupees every month. It is a fixed amount, should be payable. Next one, with a right to recoupment of short working during the first 3 years of royalty agreement. So first 3 years means next 2 years. Already explained, first 3 years is same and also next 2 years is same. Next 2 years means leaving the first year we will calculate remaining 2 years. In first years means including the first year we will calculate 2 years. So that means next 2 years and first 3 years both are same. The details were as follows. First one, in 2007 the unit sold. So he has given the total in units sold, it is 1900 tons, and also in 2008 2900 tons, and in the 2009 3800 tons, and 2010 4900 tons. So we have to prepare minimum rent account, royalty, short working and Akon's accounts in the books of Shakti Publisher, the lessee. Now let's go to the calculation table. In 2007, now what is the output or what is the sales? It is sales. Let's take it as a sales. Okay. So if we give unsold copies, then we have to calculate the actual sales by deducting the closing stock and adding the opening stock. But here they have directly given the sales 1900. We can directly do the problem. Output is 1900. Again, rate per ton is, it is 10 rupees per copy sold. So it is per copy sold, rate per copy sold. It is rate per copy sold. Rate per copy sold is 10 rupees. 10 rupees. So if you calculate it 1900 into 10, so you'll get 19,000 royalty. 19,000 royalty. What is the minimum rent here? It is 30,000 rupees minimum rent. For every year you have to pay 30,000. For second year it is 2008. Our output is 2,900 units. So royalty is 10 rupees. It is 29,000. So minimum rent same, 30,000. Again here, what is the short working in the first year? See, short working is, so what is the minimum rent? 30,000. What is the actual production or actual sales? 19,000 minus 30,000. So it is, short working is 11,000. Again, short working recovery, nil. Transfer to profit and loss account, it is transfer to profit and loss account, nil. Again, either the royalty or the minimum rent, whichever is higher, should be payable to the author or landlord. So it is 30,000 is more than 19,000. So we are paying 30,000 or minimum rent to the author. Now coming to the second year, see, compared to minimum rent and royalty. So in this year also minimum rent is more than royalty. So then we are paying the short working is 1,000 rupees. So we are paying the minimum rent to the author 30,000 rupees. We are paying the minimum rent to the author 30,000 rupees. So again he has given after 2 years. That means first 3 years time means including first year, second year, third year. First 3 years means including first year, second year and third year, okay, including first year. Next 2 years means excluding first year, both are same. So both are same. Now again, going to the third year, it is the production is 3,800, 2009, 3,800 is the production. 10 rupees means 38,000. Now what is the excess production here? Again we have to pay 30,000 rupees as the minimum rent. 30,000 rupees as the minimum rent. Whatever the excess production we are having, apart from minimum rent, whatever the excess production we are getting, out of the excess royalty, we can recover the minimum rent. See, already we are having 11,000 short working in the first year, again 1,000 short working in the second year. Now, what is the excess royalty we are getting? So, deduct the 30,000 rupees minimum rent. So, we are getting excess royalty 8,000 rupees. So, we can recover the short working to the extent of 8,000 rupees only. So, already he has given 3 years time to recover this 11,000. He has given the 3 years time. So, this first year we could not recover. Second year also we could not recover. And third year, so we can recover to the extent of 8,000 only. So, remaining amount should goes to or should transfer to profit and loss account. See here, short working in this year there is no short working because we are having excess royalty. Again coming to the short working recovered, see this 11,000, out of 11,000 we could recover only 8,000. Why? Because we are having excess production to the extent of only 8,000. So we have to recover only 8,000, not more than that. Remaining 3,000 should transfer to profit and loss account because it could not recover, because this is the last year. This is the last year whatever he given the permission to recover the short working. So here, so we could recover only 8,000 to the extent of 8,000. So out of 11,000 we could recover 8,000. Remaining 3,000 should transfer to profit and loss account, irrecoverable short working. 3,000 rupees short transfer to short working irrecoverable or profit and loss account. Remaining after deducting 8,000, our total production is, see here, total either the royalty or the minimum rent, we should pay the higher amount. Which is higher amount? Royalty is the higher amount, 38,000. Out of 38,000 we could recover to the extent of 8,000. Remaining 30,000 rupees should be payable to the landlord or the author. So it is 30,000 rupees. See here, this is not the minimum rent, we are paying the royalty in the third year. Keep this in mind. Now next go to the next year, 2010, our production is, so what is our production? 4,900 units. 4,900. So into 10 means 49,000. What is the excess royalty we are having? So this year also minimum rent is 30,000. So whatever the excess amount is there, or whatever the excess amount compared to the minimum rent, out of the excess royalty we can recover the short working. So what is the short working here? So this 1,000 rupees we could not recover in the second year. Again coming to third year, we can recover because we are having excess royalty. Out of 49,000 we could recover 1,000 rupees recovered. Remaining amount should be payable to the author. So 49,000 minus 1,000 is 48,000. So 48,000 should be payable to the landlord or author. Again explaining here. So total production is 49,000. So minimum rent is 30,000. So we can recover to the extent of 19,000 because excess production is there up to the extent of 19,000. But short working was only 1,000. Remaining amount after recovering the short working, remaining amount should be payable to the author. Now let's go to the first Ekanta author account. So author account. So what is the journal entry when you paying the minimum rent? What is the journal entry? So when you see this year we are paying the minimum rent. Second year also we are paying the minimum rent. Third year we are paying the royalty, and fourth year we are paying the royalty. See, when you pay the minimum rent, journal entry, what is the journal entry? Minimum rent account, debtor to landlord account. Again, minimum rent should be transferred to short working and royalty. Journal entry, royalty account, debtor, short working account, debtor to minimum rent account. Now, in the year of minimum rent, we are paying the minimum rent, journal entry, by minimum rent to landlord or to author. We are preparing author account. We should write opposite entry to the author account. So to author account, it is by minimum rent account. We should write by minimum rent account. Let's write on the year of 2007 by minimum rent account. So what is the minimum rent? 30,000 is the minimum rent. Again, when minimum rent appears or when author appears in the journal entry while paying the amount to the author, journal entry is author account to bank account. So by author account to bank account. So you should write to bank account. Same year 2007 to bank account. Amount 30,000. Again, total it, both the sides should get tally. 30,000. It is also 30,000. Coming to the 2008. So in 2008 also we are paying the minimum rent. Same journal entry. Minimum rent account to author account. Later author should be paid through bank or check. Journal entry. The author account to bank account. So it is 2008 by minimum rent account. It is 30,000. Again 30,000 should get tally. Coming to 2008 to bank account. 30,000. Both sides should get tally. 30,000, 30,000. Again coming to the third year. So third year we are paying the royalty. Third year we are paying the royalty. When you pay the royalty, what is the journal entry? Royalty account are to short working to landlord or author. So it is by royalty accounts here, right? So royalty account debtor to short working recovered to landlord or to author. To author account. So while you paying the royalty account by royalty account debtor to short working to landlord account. So in the landlord account we should write by royalty account. We should write by royalty account. In 2009 by royalty account. So what is the amount paid to landlord in the year of 2009? So we have paid 30,000. So look at the last column. Always while you paying the royalty to the landlord or the minimum rent, you should only look at this column while you paying the landlord or author. Now we have paid 30,000 to the author. Again to the bank account. 2009 to bank account. And it should be 30,000, 30,000 both sides. Now coming to the last year. So how much we have paid here? We have paid 48,000 to the landlord or author. Journal entry. Again royalty we have paid 2010 by royalty account. So it is 48,000. Here also to bank account should transfer to his bank account. To bank account. It is 48,000. So it is both sides should tally. 48,000. Here also 48,000. This is 4 years entry for author account. Now let's go to the royalty account. Where royalty appears? So when you pay the minimum rent, so the minimum rent should transfer to royalty and short working. Journal entry royalty account data or short working account data to minimum rent account. When you pay the minimum rent, so royalty account data, short working account data to minimum rent account. When you pay the royalty, what is journal entry? Royalty account to landlord account. Again, so when you pay the royalty account data to landlord account or to short working account, short working recovered. So when you pay the minimum rent, what is the journal entry? So when you pay the minimum rent is, so royalty account data short working account data to minimum rent account. Again, when you pay the royalty, what is the journal entry? Royalty account that are to short working account to landlord account or author account. So in the first year we are paying the minimum rent. So journal entry by royalty to minimum rent. So it is to minimum rent date 2007 to minimum rent account. So what is the amount? Actual royalty here. What is the actual royalty here? It is 19,000. We should write 19,000. Again, where you can find the royalty again in the journal entry. So royalty should be transferred to profit and loss account. It is an expenses to the lessee. So we will transfer the royalty to profit and loss account. Journal entry, profit and loss account are to royalty account, by profit and loss account to royalty account. So it is 2007 by profit and loss account, same 19,000. So both the sides should get tally 19,000, 19,000. Coming to the second year also we are paying the minimum rent journal entry. So it is to minimum rent account 2008 to minimum rent account 29,000. Again 2008 by profit and loss account 29,000. Again both sides should get tally 29,000 and here also 29,000. Again coming to the third year, see third year we are paying the royalty and also we have recovered some short working. So what is journal entry? Royalty account to landlord to short working. So it is by royalty to landlord. So it is to landlord 2009 to landlord account or author account. Author account. So to author account, what is the amount we are paying to the author? We are paying to the author is 30,000. So what is the short working recovered? 8,000. So total production is 38,000. So author account 30,000 to short working account 8,000. Now total production transfer or total royalty transfer to profit and loss account is 2009 by profit or loss account 38,000. Both sides should get tally 38,000. Here also 38,000. Again coming to the last year also we are paying the royalty and we could recover the short working to the extent of 1,000. Journal entry by royalty to landlord or author to short working. So it is 2010 to author. This how much we are paying to the author? See, we are paying to the author is 48,000. Total production is 49,000. It's 48,000 to short working 1,000. Total is 49,000. So amount transferred to profit and loss account in 2009 by profit and loss account is 49,000. Again both sides should get tally 49,000, 49,000. Should tally 49,000. Again going to the next account, short working account. In which year we are having the short working? See, when short working arises, here to minimum rent account. When short working recovered by royalty account. When short working is could not recovered by profit and loss account. So if the short working transfer to next year by balance carried down. So arises to minimum rent account, recovered by royalty account, transfer to profit and loss account by profit and loss account. Again transfer to next year by balance carried down. Now come to the first year. So we are having the minimum rent to the extent of 11,000. Now we are having the short working to the extent of 11,000. So in the year 2007 to minimum rent account to the extent of 11,000 we are having the short working. Could we recover the short working? No. So they will be transferred to next year 2007 by balance carried down 11,000. So total both the side 11,000, 11,000. Again coming to the 2008. So in 2008 also we are having the short working to the extent of 1,000. So again now let's brought down the balance 2008 to balance brought down 11,000. Again next year we are having the short working to the extent of 1,000. So it is to minimum rent 1,000. Again in the 2008 also we could not recover the short working by balance carried down. It is 12,000. In total both sides should tally for 12,000. Here also 12,000. Again coming to the next year, see in the third year we can recover the short working to the extent of 8,000 and we could not recover to the extent of 3,000. That will goes to profit and loss account. Now let's write here. So it is again we have to brought down the amount 2009 to balance brought down. It is 12,000. Again 2009. So by royalty account. So if you recover, we should write by royalty account. Journal entry. What is the journal entry? When you recover the royalty account are to short working, to landlord, right? So it is by royalty account. So we could recover to the extent of 8,000. What is the irrecoverable royalty? It is 3,000 is the irrecoverable royalty. So we should write by profit and loss account 3,000. Again remaining amount will be transferred to next year by balance carried down. So to the extent of 1,000. So 12,000. Again we should brought down to the next year 2010 to balance brought down. To balance brought down is 1,000. So here also we could recover the short working to the extent of 1,000 here. So journal entry by royalty to short working. So 2010 by royalty 1,000. So 1,000 should get tally. 1,000 should get tally. Now let's go to the minimum rent. So minimum rent account, when you prepare the minimum rent account, only when you are having the minimum rent, when you pay the minimum rent, then we have to prepare the minimum rent. For other years, when you pay the royalty, we should not prepare the minimum rent. What is journal entry when you preparing the minimum rent? So minimum rent account are to landlord account or author account. Again, that minimum rent should be transferred to royalty and short working account. Journal entry, minimum rent account are to landlord account. Again royalty account it are short working account it are to minimum rent account. Here while preparing minimum rent, when you paying the minimum rent, what is the journal entry? First one, minimum rent account are to landlord account 2007 to landlord or author account. So what is the amount? What is the minimum rent in the first year? Look at the minimum rent is 30,000 is the minimum rent. So it is 30,000. So this minimum rent is inclusive of both royalty and short working. Journal entry royalty account it are, short working account it are to minimum rent account. So it is by royalty, by short working. So on 2007 it is by royalty account to the extent of 19,000, by short working to the extent of 18,000, to the extent of 11,000, to the extent of 11,000. So total it is 30,000. Again coming to the next year, so only 2 years we are having the minimum rent. So for only 2 years we should prepare the minimum rent account. Again for the next year, what is the minimum rent? 30,000. What is the royalty? 19,000. So by royalty 19,000, by short working 1,000, to landlord 30,000. So for 2008 to author 30,000, 2008 by royalty it is 29,000. 29,000. So by short working account 1,000. So both the side we should get tally 30,000, 30,000. 30,000, 30,000. This is how we have to prepare the ledger entries in the books of lessee. And in the next session, we will discuss on ledger entries in the books of lessee. So till then, thank you so much. Meet you in the next session.